Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel Fashion Flair Zone. How are you all? I hope my all friends are good. Allah bless you and always be happy. So friends, इस वीडियो में मैं आपको क्रोचेट के बहुत ही खूबसूरत डिज़ाइन दिखा रही हूँ. All these designs are so stunning and unique. मुझे उम्मीद है कि आपको ये डिज़ाइंस बहुत पसंद आएंगे क्योंकि क्रोचेट के आर्टिकल्स को बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद किया जाता है. All these designs are attractive. Please viewers, don't skip the video, watch the video start to last. And please viewers, share the video with your friends and family who want crochet ideas. All these designs are so stunning and unique. फैशन वर्ल्ड में क्रोचेट के आर्टिकल्स का एक नाम है. बहुत सारे कंट्रीज़ जहाँ पर क्रोचेट के ड्रेसेस को कैजुअल वेयर के लिए, इवेंट्स के लिए इस्तेमाल किया जाता है. You know guys, different people have different choices and they love different colors. In this video, you will see different colors and different decent and unique crochet articles. You can design your dresses with using these ideas. Thank you friends for watching this video. For those people who are searching beautiful and outclass crochet tops collection, it's an amazing collection for them. They will get new designs and new ideas related to crochet tops. You can see more beautiful and unique crochet designs from my channel. All these articles are washable and durable. If you all love this article and if you want more crochet designs ideas, so like my video and subscribe my channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon for new and latest update. Be connected with me and remember me in your wear friends. See you soon friends. Take care. Allah Hafiz.